Result seminar. And on behalf of Chrysanthus Dinamanu and the first advisor, Dr. Ade Lena Lucas, also as the moderator, and the second advisor, Professor Dr. Juliana Saroso, and as examiner is Dr. Insinyur Ahmad Cendanawan. So,
thank you, Ms. Nasriati, and good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and all the students. Now we will witness the opportunity
Research entitled Protest and Karaginan Content of Seaweed Cauphius alvarezi after full transportation method with different length of transportation time. Introduction. Seaweed Cauphius alvarezi is an excellent fisheries commodities that have the potential to improve production based on the Central Statistics Agency 2022 experienced a significant decline in 2022. The panic use of seaweed seedlings and still one of pain that causes a decrease in genetic quality, so that it affects the quality of seedlings, which is good method transportation with different length of transportation period. And what is the effective duration? Full system transportation with different length transportation period during 45 days. After harvest is dry under the sun during 3 days before extraction karaginan in the laboratory. And specific growth rate. Specific growth of seed seedlings in the study was measured based on the present is smaller than 5%. Next is conclusion. The results showed that the use of full transportation method get a significant effect on the absolute growth of seaweed Cauphius alvarezi, but did not give a significant effect on the daily growth rate and also the content of carrageenan in seaweed. The real effect was obtained in treatment B, which is effect on treatment A and treatment C. On the carrageenan content of seaweed using the transportation method is higher compared to the seaweed without transportation. And the most effective length of time in the process of transportation using the cold method is treatment B. The last advice. It is necessary to conduct future research in the different
For the time, let me introduce myself. My name is Audra Diva. I want to ask about, in this research, what obstacles did you find, whether cost or others? Thank you.
use your thesis is good, but there are several things that need to be corrected and need your confirmation as follows. The first is what the reason you had chosen definitely time transportation.
All input to improve your thesis must you record it.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for the opportunity given to me. So, at first, I want to thank God for God because His blessing can get us together again in this room, in this room again. And secondly, I very appreciate and thankful for my supervisor, Dr. Tio Santoso SPIMP, and Dr. Ismail Sanaji MP, and also my examiner, Prof. Dr. Juliana Saroso SPIMP, and also for the audience. Thank you for coming and joining my seminar. Thank you for your presence, guys. So, in this time, for not take a long time, I will explain the results of my research with the title Effect of different depths on growth and survival cultivate per oyster Pistada maxima at the Lombok Marine Aquaculture Fishery Center. First, I want to explain the introduction. So, the background of my research that per oyster are the marine organisms that belong to a type of shell is enormous potential for the high selling value. According to Camping et al. 2007, that per oyster have a high selling value of all its meat, from shells, meat, and also the per itself. According to data of DPS 2022, that per oyster have export value per oyster of 2 billion IDR, with the rank third best per oyster in internationality, according to Silalahi et al. 2022. Per oyster, Indonesia have 5 types, like Pisada maxima, Pisada margaritifera, Pisada cipitsi, Pisada cocata, and also Ptera penguin. But the most cultivated produce in Indonesia is per oyster with the species Pisada maxima. Still I use this per oyster Pisada maxima with the size 4 until 5 centimeters. Next is work procedure. On the procedure, I have 3 procedures. First, preparation, second, implementation, and third, data retrieval. For preparation, I prepare dairy container pocket net with the size 76 cm times 46 cm with density 10 kilos per pocket. For the long line, I use a long line with a length 100 meter, with the rope diameter is 22 millimeters, and I also use 20 ball buoys with a distance of 5 meters between buoys, and the distance between rope is 1 meter. And for the per oyster, I use with the size 4 until 5 centimeters. Second is implementation. The pockets are hanging in the morning, and for the length of rope is 2 meters, 4 meters, and 6 meters, there respectively. The dorsal position of the oyster is towards for the bottom, and the pockets are wrapped using a 5 millimeter wiring gauge size. And on my research, when I do my research, I just control and cleaning this once a month. And the last one is data retrieval. For data collection on growth, survival, and water quality. For growth is measuring using a ruler, and water quality measurements will be measured once a month. Second, the depth that can be applied in the cultivation of per oyster Pisada maxima is at the depth.
You have any question, you can raise hand and say your name.
Okay, good morning everyone. Thank you for the time to giving to me. Now I want to actually give you a question. The question is, based on your research, you explained the growth of pear oysters in the K1 and K3. The 3 months was lower than the growth is pear oyster result in K2 treatment. Can you tell me what? Can you explain to me and everyone why this in the case? Thank you.
Thank you for the time. I would like to ask if the water quality generated during the study affect the growth and survival rate of pear oyster. Thank you for the time and giving an opportunity given to me. And after this, I will be presenting my research with the title growth and survival rate of pear oyster tepat Pisada maxima at different densities at the Lombok Marine Aquaculture Center. Okay, here's the background of the research. Indonesia is a country with a very vast territory and surrounded by water, possessing abundant marine biodiversity potential, but its management and conservation has not been optimal carried out. One example is shellfish. One of the very producing shellfish is Pisada maxima, which is a pear producing biodata commonly found in Indonesia water. A commonly objectively unknown in pear oyster cultivation activities is the low growth and survival rate of Pisada maxima pear oyster influenced by density labor. High density can hinder the growth of pear oyster due to competition for food. Based on this background, this research needs to be conducted to obtain specific data on the effect of different densities in the cultivation of Pintaya maxima per oyster spot in the water of the Lombok marine aquaculture. This for Pintaya maxima per oysters. Next, research and method. The first time and place research method research procedure. The first preparation is 70 cm and the first per oyster spot 4 to 5 in size. The 3 long line length. The 5 spot inside in pocket according to research treatment. Next, implementation. The first installation of water pocket is carried out the morning or evening. The second, the depth of the pocket cannot is 3 cm. The dorsal position of the oyster is toward the bottom. Routine monitoring is done once a week and spot cleaning is done. The second, the survival rate reserve 100% in all treatment groups. The third, the study show there is not disease between treatments that is significantly optimal for the growth and survival of the oyster spot Pintaya maxima. However, hyper growth was obtained from the treatment with a density of 10 spot per pocket. Next, Gaston conducted research at hyper for lower stocking densities than the current strain, as well as extending the research period to observe the long-term impact on the quality of their production.
Session from the student. The first is three students and the second session is three students. Okay, the first session I will give three students for give the question to seminarists. Time is
Why is the daily specific growth rate is the first month of rearing higher than in the second month? Thank you.